miles high, and when you touch down, you find that it's stranger than known. Signs in the street that say where you're going are somewhere just being their own. Nowhere is there warmth to be found among those afraid of losing their ground. Rain gray town, known for its sound, in places small faces unbound. Round the squares, huddled in storms, some laughing, some shapeless forms. Sidewalk scenes and limousines, some living, some standing alone.